This is Sniper Marketing AI. Today we're talking to the creators, experts, and personal brands out there, the people whose names are on the work. The question, how do you keep your voice sharp while letting AI do the heavy lifting in your marketing? If you're the thinker, the teacher, the face, you can't outsource your point of view. That's what makes you different. But you also can't be the one doing every outline, draft, edit, caption, and upload forever. At some point, you need leverage. We like to think of it as creator plus AI, not AI instead of creator. Step 1 is defining your voice and boundaries. Take a few pieces of content you're proud of, emails, posts, scripts, and feed them into your AI workspace as examples. Then explicitly tell the system what you believe, what you don't believe, phrases you like and phrases you hate, the tone you want to keep. You're teaching AI how to assist you, not asking it who you are. Step 2 is idea capture. As a creator, your best ideas often show up in conversations, voice notes, or messy outlines. Instead of forcing yourself to sit down and write everything perfectly, you record or brain dump your thoughts. Then you let AI help you shape them. You can say, turn this ramble into a newsletter outline, or extract 5 short post ideas and write basic drafts for each. Step 3 is building formats. You don't need brand new structures every time. Maybe your weekly email always follows a pattern: hook, story, lesson, call to action. Maybe your threads and carousels have a standard arc. AI can help you formalize those formats and then plug your new ideas into them. The result feels consistent to your audience and faster to produce for you. Step 4 is repurposing. One talk, interview, or deep dive video can fuel tons of content if AI helps you slice it. You can turn transcripts into posts, scripts, quotes, and carousel outlines. You're no longer trying to create 20 unique ideas a week. You're translating one big idea into 20 surfaces. At Sniper Marketing AI, we do this with creators and expert-led brands constantly. We never hand someone a generic AI-written script and say, just read this. Instead, we start with their worldview, their language, and their stories. AI helps scale and structure it into a system. The big mindset shift is this: AI is a power tool for your ideas, not a replacement for them. Your job as the creator is to set direction, share real experiences, and say things you actually believe. AI's job is to make sure those ideas show up across channels consistently without burning you out. If you've been resisting AI because you're afraid of losing your voice, you're exactly the kind of brand that can benefit most when it's used correctly. To build a creator plus AI content system with our team at Sniper Marketing AI, call 786-565-4749 or visit ht/snipermarketing.ai. And for daily strategies built specifically for creators and experts, follow at Sniper Marketing AI wherever you publish.